what does a commutative property of multiplication looks like. So what are we going to do right now? Okay, first, I'm going to call all the girls. You are going to show me here on the board what does a commutative property of multiplication will be looking like. And after you, it's gonna be the boys. So while the boys are waiting for the girls to finish, I want you to get your notebook and you can write the examples. Okay, so when you go to the board, you are all ready to write. Or for example, the girls, who wants to go first? Girls or boys? Alright. Wait a second. Who won last time? Girls or boys? The boys won last time. Okay, I'm going to give the chance to the girls right now. Okay? So what are you going to do, boys? Get your math notebook. Can somebody please turn on the light? Okay, girls. Math notebook, please.
That's Henry. No, let him do it himself. Let him do it himself.
Okay, first, girls, your answer should not be the same. Okay?
Where's my notebook?
Where do you put your notebook?
I don't know.
Take it under your desk. Number 2, take a look at the inside of your backpack. Or number 3, go to your basket. Maybe it's there.
It's not anyway. So you can walk here or you can say excuse me and then you can stand up. So if you want to ask anything, you can excuse me and then she will stand up. Or you can just stay like that.
Becky, is it good?
Stand. You know, Nathan did the same thing. When I go up, she's like kicking it all the way up so I can fall. So when you want to ask me, excuse me, so let your friend know it. And the boy, stop your turn. Yes, sit down, please. I got the Miss Mouth.
Okay, now girls, can you come over here? Okay, in here is gonna be Dimple. Next is gonna be Ivy. On this side will be Becky. And then on this side will be Ivy.
Wait.
It's okay.
Miss Mouth,
Wait a second.
can you borrow your ruler so I can make a straight line?
Okay, now, again. Huh? Okay, now, so listen again. What aren't you going to write on the board? Wait a minute. Okay, what are you going to write on the board? Listen, who is not listening, raise your hand. Do you remember, I already showed you the example of commutative property of multiplication. What are you going to do in here? You are going to write your own example. Let me see if you can understand the topic for today. You are not going to copy the example, but you are going to think. You are going to think of your own example here on the board. That is what you are going to write. Okay, so are you sure about your answer? Okay, thank you. Can you please sit down? You are not going to copy what is the answer on the board that I have shown earlier, but you're going to think of your own answer.
Miss Mouth,
Yes, please.
what do we write down?
Now, you are going to write down in there your example about the commutative property of multiplication.
Can we do on the board?
No, so that's why when they are finished, when it's gonna be your turn, I'm just going to discuss something about their answers, and then after you can write. So it's very easy for you and very fast. Are you sure about your answer, Ruby? Okay, if you're sure about your answer, you can sit down.
I mean, you choose any number you want, and I can while you go with your friend. Okay. So do it right now. The multiply where is it gonna right hand top?
You're just going to write one answer in here. Because why? Why do you need to write only one answer? So you're going to give the others the chance. Always remember, if you're going to write something on the board, make it sure that your handwriting would be understood by everybody.
I
Okay?
can't understand Becky's. I'm finding my eraser. Where is it? Ow. Wait, please sit down, please. Sit down, please. Yeah.
Okay, are you finished?
Yeah.
Who is not yet finished? Raise your hand. So the boys are finished already?
Not yet, no.
Okay, now. So in here, Miss Mao is going to start. So first, this is the answer of Jinpeng. Jinpeng, can you please read your answer? Stand up, please.
What? Give one example.
1 times. Okay, now, so anybody, do you think the answer of Jinpeng is correct?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think it's correct?
Because 1 times 5. So that means 1.
Okay, why? Can anybody explain, please? Maybe can you help John?
5 times 1 equals 5 because there's a 1, but times 5.
So what did she do? She just?
Switch the number.
Oh, okay, so Jinpeng switched the number, so this one is correct. Okay, now, next, Ivy, stand up, please. Please read your answer here. Times? Okay, now, do you think the answer of Ivy is correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now, can anybody give me why? Why this one is correct? I want another hand to explain. Becky, please.
Because we can change.
Okay, she said that it changes. Okay, now, so in here, this one is the same. Very good. Okay, now, Becky, can you please read your answer?
Multiply 10 equals 20. 10 multiply 2 equals 20.
Okay, now, can anybody answer this one? Okay, do you think the answer of Becky is correct?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think the answer of Becky is correct?
She switched the numbers?
Huh?
It looks ugly. Yeah, they're ugly.
Oh no. So now next time, what do you need to do? Can you please write properly? Okay, the answer of Becky is correct, but sometimes, I could not understand it. Okay, now, next, Lee, can you please come over here? Times. Okay, who can say that the answer of Ivy or Ruby is correct? I want another hand. Ivy. Is this one correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why is it correct?
Because that with the number.
Mm-hmm. So she said that the number is switched. That's why in here this one is also a correct answer. Okay, now so we are going. Wait, I forgot the boys. It's gonna be the boys' turn now. I'm going to give the points, So all the girls are going to get 1 point for having the correct answer. Okay, now it's gonna be boys' turn. In here will be John. In here will be Henry.
Oh, no.
In here will be Win.
Yeah.
And then the last in line will be Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Okay, please stand up.
Do you know that?
Okay, boys.
Bye. One.
So I only have one boy.
I'm the
How many
biggest.
boys do I have?
One.
Henry. Henry. Your answer should not be the same.
Mom, Becky's Estela in Winner stay and Winner right. Okay, like okay. And then why you play?
I only like one example, John.
Where's
It's okay, only one example.
Okay.
Thank you.
John, you very good to give a comment to your friend, but look at you. Just making later you go and fix okay?
Oh, why did I put a 7?
That's what I'm saying, right?
Be a
If you're going to
7.
answer anything, that's why I give you the chance to do it in your notebook. So if there's gonna be a little mistake, you have the time to correct your mistake. And then when you're going to write it on the board, make it sure before you go that your answers are correct.
What's this? I'm supposed to write
Whatever
7.
you write in here should be correctly done.
No, it's okay for Henry.
Henry, give me another answer.
Henry, no, not this one.
No, win. No.
Win, no,
Henry can do it.
win. Wait.
Okay, we're going to give chance. If you are sure about your answer, what do you need to do? Can you please sit down? Okay, Henry. One more example. One more example, please.
My answer is not like the other. You're gonna put an equal sign. Why you say which way? I don't say that. 11 times 12? 11. I don't say you, I say Emily. Compare. Wrong. Wait. What? Is a big.
Henry, can you please give me an example in here? So your friends, already write in here 9 times 8 equals 72. 8 times 9, look at the examples. So this one, the answer of John is not the same as the answer of Win. It's not also the same as the answer of Alex. So what about you? Can you give me your example here?
Wait, you're as tall as Henry. Why are you as tall as Henry? And I'm taller than you.
Wait, you choose a very difficult one and then you give a mistake, okay?
I did Henry. 1 times 1 equals 1.
Maybe 9 times. Maybe 1. 1 times 9 is equals to?
Win. You got a mistake.
Today, what
9 times 1 is equals to how much? Thank you. Okay, now, take a look at in here, Henry. So John writes 9 times 8 is equals to 72. So you here, you write 9 times 1 is equals to 9. So next, what did John do? John just switched the number. So what are you going to do on the next step?
wait, Miss Brown.
Yes,
I
please.
thought you said Henry cannot
Thank
speak
you.
during social studies and math.
Okay, now we are going to find out, right? Okay, now first, John, can you please read your answer?
9 times 8 equals 72. 8 times 9 equals 72. I
Okay.
just switched the 8 and the 9 together, but the
Okay.
answer is still same.
Now, girls, who wants to give an opinion about John's answer? Is this correct, Dimple? Do you think the answer is correct? Why do you think it's correct?
Louder. Louder.
Okay, they switch. Okay, thank you. Okay, now, next. Okay, Henry. Henry, can you please stand up? So Henry now is going to read his answer. I want to hear your voice, Henry.
Henry, speak loud.
Can you say speak
Like this.
louder?
Henry. Henry, do this.
Henry, come here.
Jump.
This one is
150
times and nine. Thank you. Okay, now do you think the answer of Henry is correct? Ruby, do you think the answer of Henry is correct? Why is it correct? Stand up, please. What did he do? This one is the same as how John answered his work. And what about Henry? Is it the same? Why is it the same? Henry what? Switch. Okay, Henry switch. Okay, now what about the answer of win? Okay, Becky, do you think the answer of win is correct? Why maybe? Oh, maybe you don't know. Why? Because you don't know the answer. Okay, maybe. Maybe. Excuse me. Excuse me. Maybe. Can somebody help